guys, no, again and again and again. Ayan. So since dito tayo ngayon sa SM Tarlac, no, at napadaan tayo dito since dito ang stopover natin, no, to take our passage going to Paniki Tarlac, no. So dito yung stopover talaga. So since now we are here at SM Tarlac, no, so naisipan namin dumaan dito sa Classic Savory, no, one of the best Filipino Chinese food, no, in the city of Tarlac, no. So ayan nga, dahil galing tayo sa ating doctor's appointment, no, since na malamig ang aircon sa loob ng office ni doktor. So after we go out from them, no, dumaan kami dito kasi medyo lumalamig ang aming sikmura, no, since na ang aking sister-in-law talaga namang hinahanap niya talaga ang mainit na sabaw, no, since she is our sponsor for our snack for today, no, since she is a very supportive sister-in-law for me, no, for my wife, no. So every time we go to our doctor or after the chemo of my wife, and yan, so we always take snacks, no, every time or before we go home, no. So ayan, so dumaan kami dito to take a snack. So we order wonton na lomi, no, since na favorite din niya, no, yung soup na wonton lomi. So ayan, so nag-order kami dito. So ayan na, so since na ito ang aming hobbies talaga, no. So ayan, so we are now serving our order, no. So ayan, so ang dalawang tisaying babae, my wife and my sister-in-law, no. Ayan, so the Blondie girls, ayan. So ayan nga guys, no. So since na sponsored ang ating snacks for today, thank you to my sister-in-law, no, for treating us always, no, for always supporting us, no. Whatever problems we have, you are always there, no, guiding us, no. At yan nga, pinapasalamatan ko rin dahil sa iyong kabutihan sa amin. So ayan, so ikaw nang sumama, ikaw pa yung nag-vet, pero sometimes that is good for us, no, for a good bonding of two sisters, no, especially sila lamang dalawa ang naiiwan dito, no, at sila lamang lagi ang magkakasama. So good to see them happy, smiling, no. Ayan, so enjoy their bonding, no. Ayan, so kasama naman tayo dyan. So ayan nga, so pag nakikita natin ang mga magkakapatid na ganito ang samahan, no, parang nakakatuwa talaga, no, nakakatuwa. So ayan, so we take enjoy having our meals here, no. Ayan, so yung order namin na wonton na mami is meron siyang side dish, no, tofu and Shanghai, no, which is it's their favorite, no, Shanghai. So ayan, nasimot din namin ang aming order, no, which is affordable naman, no, para sa bulsa. So ayan nga, since this is a Filipino Chinese food, no, so a lot of customers are eating in here, no. Ayan, so ayan, simot na simot. So ayan, so at this time guys, no, pauwi na rin kami, no, since na it's too late for the afternoon, no, for us to go home. Ayan, so thank you so much, no, for the sponsor of these snacks. Ayan, good luck sa ating lahat and enjoy having meals here at Savory.